Alright, we're back at it. We're going to replace this hose, this little radiator hose. Boy, the lighting's pretty bad, huh? There we go. The lighting's pretty good. Alright, you see it's at 5/16. That's on the drill. Kind of hard to get to. A little bit. It's loose already. There we go. Loosen it some more. There we go. Get my screwdriver. Gently pry on it. It's loose. Now give it a little twist. Better lose some coolant. Now let's dry the bone. Let's get this fan out of the way so we can see what's over here. Get this out of the way. Alright, another clamp. It's good to get to. Come on. Get in there. Well, not going to be able to use that. Yeah, I can. Hold on. Get that loose. There we go. A little more spillage, but not bad. Reuse these clamps on the new hose. So let's stick this on here. There we go. Take this hose clamp, put it on this one. Hold on now, we want to do this right, like that. And then take this one, and it don't matter much. I'll be able to get to it. Alright, now, alright, got the hose slid on everywhere. Now we'll just position the clamps and tighten it down. There's this one. And I'm going to have to do this without you. Well, I guess I could put on the shroud. Yeah, there's the bottom half. And maybe the fan. I gotta watch these wasps. I have wasps. And they try to get me sometimes. And let's close this real quick. Put this up. That's weird. Put the little hose back in its slot. I like this hose. It's a good idea. This shroud has some tabs that fit into some notches on the radiator. So line those up if you can. cooperating very well. Shouldn't be so difficult. Is it in there? That one is. There it is. Now we'll put the fan on. Oops. Yeah, let's grab it here. Be a lot easier. Damn it. Shouldn't be so difficult. But almost had it. And spin it. There we go. Get my big crescent wrench. Tighten it just a little bit. And let me put a breeze on myself. There. Let that blow up my skirt a little bit. Oh. There we go. Alright, now we put on the top half of the shroud. There we go. Alright. Let's see if we can remember how to do this. Oh yeah, fits. See, there's a notch. A little tab sticking up right here. Right here. And this shroud will have a corresponding hole in it it lines up with. Easy. Just don't knock it off of there. It's in that one. And let's line these up. It's flexible and it wiggles and moves around and all of that. Put a clip in, push rivet, plastic rivet thing. It's not wanting to go. Oh, but you know it will. There's that one. This one. Where's the hole? There it is. How's that one? Number 3. Push him in. All the way down. Come on. There we go. And one more push pin. These here screws go up here. And over here. And they appear to have a 10mm head on them. Back to sweating. Crazy. Where's my 10mm socket? Don't know. There's this. Maybe over here. Nope, not there. Up there. Up there. Well, darn. Oh, here's a 10. And oh, out there. Here. Goofus. And tighten him down. There we go. I'm all done under here. So I can start gathering up some tools. I'll gather up my tools, and all I have left is underneath. Rick, quit chasing that frog. You don't need that frog. Wasp. I don't want to get stung, but I do torture them. I give them a really hard way to go. Picked up the tools. Tomorrow we'll get underneath it. We'll install these two braces here and here, and this support bracket that cleaned up nice with the oven cleaner. Real nice. And what else underneath? Oh yeah, as we have it jacked up, we discovered it has a bit of a transmission leak, so we'll replace the rear seal. And we need to put this washer on the drain plug. So that's what we got ahead of us next, is underneath. And we'll start this thing. Whew, spider webs or something. Nice. That was weird. Whew. Don't like that. Those wasps back? I don't know. Oh, there's one right there. Buzzing around. Yeah. They're ruthless. So thanks again for watching. Man, like I say, tomorrow we'll have some other things to do. So have a good night.